So, hello guys. So, kararating lang po namin sa aming trip. First international trip, family trip sa Hong Kong, Macau. So, isi-share ko po sa inyo ngayon yung ginawa namin na preparation. Siyempre po, virtual assistant po ako. Ano yung mga papeles na ginawa namin as a family. So, 2 adults kami. Ako at si husband. Husband is working in a private company. Tapos ako is virtual assistant. Tapos we have our cat kaka-birthday lang doon sa Macau, last 21, 3 years old. So, ano mga prepare namin, no, as an OC mama, na kailangan prepare lahat. So, DIY lang po ito lahat. Yung itinerary namin, yung mga documents, mga gastusin, nakalista po. I have an Excel. You can comment down below if gusto niyo pong ma-share ko po sa inyo yung itinerary as well as yung budget namin. So, 2 adults and 1 child. So, 18 to 23 kami, bali 6 days, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 5 days and 4 nights. So, next day kami sa TST, California Hotel. And from Davao to Hong Kong, Davao yung travel namin. So, it was fun kasi first time namin mag-travel internationally as a family. So, second time na namin ni husband nung mag-girlfriend, boyfriend pa. And now, mag-asawa na at meron ng baby. So, iba yung experience. And this time DIY, last time is travel and tours yung travel agency. So ngayon kasi may baby na, may bata na kasama, so dapat hawak namin yung oras. Kaya I see to it that hindi masyadong full pack yung day namin. Kasi diba, depende pa rin kung anong oras gigising ang yung toddler natin. So ganun. So first day, maaga yung flight namin. It's around 8 o'clock in the morning. So nag-travel pa kami galing sa province namin going to Davao. So medyo maaga, madaling araw. We see to it that 4 hours before our flight, nandun na kami sa airport para mahaba yung oras, hindi naman madali kasi diba, may interview pa tayo sa IO. So, ang ginawa namin para mas convenient, nag-overnight parking kami sa Davao International Airport. Tapos, nag-drive-thru na kami sa McDo for our breakfast, as well as, so yun nga, bumili na kami ng drive-thru sa McDo for our breakfast and snacks na rin during our travel para busog. And then, I pay my travel tax online. Now, meron naman tayong discounted na rin ng toddler. So, 50% off. So, I will make another video paano namin binayaran yung travel tax online, as well as gumawa na rin po ako ng e-travel before that. So, 2 days before that. Kasi you can make your e-travel 72 hours before your flight. So, yung e-travel po natin is required sa ating immigration, no? Pag-aalis ka ng bansa at pagbalik ng Pinas. So, yun po. So, pagpunta namin, diretso na kami ng check-in. So, dahil napaaga kami, nag-wait lang kami ng around 30 minutes. So, nag-breakfast na kami beforehand para busog na. Then, na-check-in na kami. We have a 20 kilo baggage, check-in baggage. Tapos, may tag-isa kami 7 kilos. So, I will make another video kung ano po yung pinipare namin sa aming mga bagahe since may toddler po tayong kasama. So, yan, nag-check-in kami sa Cebu Pacific. At good news kasi may toddler, may priority line tayo. So, pwede yung buntis, may bata, senior citizens at PWD. So, yan po yung mga benefits. Then after that, we paid our terminal fee rather. It's a terminal fee, international terminal fee. So, 900 each. So, 270 binayaran namin. Tatlo. Then after that, we go to the immigration officer. So, I will make another video po yung ano yung tinanong sa akin, sa husband ko. So, yung prepare namin na requirements sa immigration officer. So, madali lang. I think the 3 of us, or 2 of us, dahil dalawa lang kami tinanong, is more or less 10 minutes lang. Tapos, security na tayo, yung mga baggage, yung hand carry na bit-bit. Then, wait na tayo sa ating boarding time. So, ang galing ng smooth yung natin. So, napaka-happy namin, di ba? Kasi, meron akong experience. I have an experience na na-offload ako before, pero nakapag-travel na ako way back 2019 to Hong Kong. So, pero kinakabahan pa rin ako kasi nga may off-road record. But, God is so good kasi okay naman. Nakalusot naman tayo at we fly to Hong Kong. So, yun lang muna. I'll make another video sa ating itinerary sa ating Hong Kong and Macau travel. Thank you so much. Comment down below for your questions and don't forget to follow me. Bye-bye!